Hello, everyone. I am going to talk about how taurine is being used to improve DMD, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. What is taurine? Taurine is an amino acid that was first discovered in 1827 by these two German scientists. Taurine has several roles in diseases and has shown protective agencies for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Taurine is mostly produced in our livers, kidneys, but you can also find them in our cells and tissues. Also in our brain, skeletal muscles, and in several foods. For example, shrimp, fish, chicken, and any dark meat. Basically all our foods. Taurine is being consumed in vitamins and energy drinks. And if you actually look behind your Red Bull, you can actually find taurine in the back. DMD is a disease that causes muscle weakness, inflammation, and stress due to an absent dystrophy protein. But researchers are finding that testing mice to improve muscle strength by adding taurine. There's actually been an experiment done to improve the strength, but not only to improve the strength, but to actually reduce the inflammation and the stress by giving the mice taurine directly in their diet and in their synthesis. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease, as everybody knows, it causes memory loss that interrupts daily life. Researchers are doing more studies on Alzheimer's disease by doing more experiments on mice to improve memory. They actually had done an experiment on these two mice, which one had was given taurine through an IV, and the other one was given taurine through water. And they were observing it. And the one with taurine through an IV had incredible results compared to the one with just water or taurine through water. And with these results of the test, the experiment, it shows value to do more research and by using taurine to improve Alzheimer's disease. And Parkinson's disease, PD, is a common brain disease, second only to an Alzheimer's. Classical are motor symptoms. For example, resting face, stiffness, slowness in movement. But there are some other symptoms that are, for example, balancing, having trouble sleeping, constipation, and probably some other symptoms. There is specialists that are trying to find a treatment and have done experiments to try to reduce the progress of the disease or the symptoms and the symptoms. It was reported that concentration of taurines are practically high in the SN and sternum, which plays a significant role in dopamine release. Recent studies have actually shown the levels of taurine in the plasma of PD patients and are decreasing and negatively associated with motor sensitivity. There was beneficial role of taurine in Parkinson's disease. Considering the low biosynthesis, they did find some supplements taurine, proving that taurine can have an effective approach to actually slow down the progress of Parkinson's disease. There was an experiment done that not only showed outstanding neuroprotection and producing reduction of the stride length in both front and back limbs of the mice. So they're actually seeing results in these experiments for Alzheimer's and DMD and Parkinson's, which makes them and me believe, makes us believe that taurine can actually make a difference in these diseases. We just have to do a little bit more research, and we have to do more experiments, studies, to actually be able to find a cure, not a cure, but a treatment. Like I said, to help patients with these kind of diseases, and maybe even more. We just have to really go into depth with this and try to find which other diseases taurine can actually help and reduce their symptoms or their disease, or that's the end of my PowerPoint. I hope you guys were able to enjoy and probably get some new information on what taurine is and how it came to be. I mean, like I said, you can find them everywhere. Well, I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.